Can two families marry their daughters to each other without paying mahr? And if they simply say, you marry my daughter and I'll marry yours, does that count as mahr or is the marriage invalid? In today, explore the fiqh of exchange marriages, Shighar in Hanafi Fiqh. Welcome to Scholarly Arabic and Islamic Studies. Like, subscribe and share. Let's begin.
Okay, now another case where, husband, he did not pay the dowry. Instead, he marries to another person's daughter. So here we have Zaid. Zaid marries Fatima. Yeah. And there is Umar marrying, the Aisha. Okay. And Fatima is the daughter of Umar. Fatima is the daughter of Umar. And Aisha is the daughter of Zaid. Yeah. She is the daughter of Zaid. So you can say that Umar is the father-in-law of Zaid. Yeah. Similarly, Zaid is father-in-law of Umar because they both marrying off their daughter to each other. Two persons, they marry off their daughter to each other. It is valid. It is permissible. No problem with that. But the question here is that they don't pay dowry. So Zaid is not paying dowry to Umar's daughter. Similarly, Umar is not paying dowry to Zaid's daughter, Aisha. And they both just say that I am marrying you off my daughter. So just consider it as a dowry. Yeah. Just this contract. In Urdu, in customary practice, if we give our sister or daughter, and the other person, he also gives his sister or daughter, in exchange. So this kind of marriage is called vatta satta. Weird kind of word. So here this kind of marriage is valid, but considering this as a dowry, it is not valid. Yeah, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Quran, an tabtaghu bi amwalikum. Mahr should be a mal, a wealth. Yeah. So mahr cannot be something which is not wealth. Got it? So here this mahr, this specification, it becomes null. It is null. So, and we know that if the mahr which is stipulated in contract, if it is null, then what is obligation? What is the mahr? Mahar Mithl. It comes down to the default, which is Mahar Mithl. We know that if there is no mahr named in marriage, then husband has to give, the Mahar Mithl. So here, similarly, we also learn the case where the husband, he stipulated the unlawful mahr, like wine or swine. So we said that this stipulation becomes null and void, and the Mahar Mithl is obligatory. Similarly here in this case, وَإِذَا زَوَّجَ الرَّجُلُ ابْنَتَهُ, if a man marries off his daughter, ala, on the condition that, ala means on the condition that, أَن يُزَوِّجَهُ الرَّجُلُ أُخْتَهُ أو بنته, that another man marries him his sister or daughter. So there is exchange happening here, a contract in exchange of another contract, and this exchange actually it is based on on the dowry thing. They are considering that the other contract is I am giving him my daughter or my sister, so this is a kind of a dowry. Liyakuna, such that ahadul aqdaini, that one contract serve as iwadan anil akhar, serve as consideration for the other. One contract serve as consideration for the other. Mean it is a counter value, a counterpart of the other. Fal aqdani jaizani, then both contracts are valid. No objection in them, because ijab and kubul occurs, and there are witnesses, and the husband and wife, they are not eternal taboos, means muharramat abadiyya. So there is no problem with that. Fal aqdani jaizani, both contracts are valid. Only thing is that there is a shart fasid. There is fasid shart stipulated. So we say that shart fasid, which is the thing which cannot be a dowry, they stipulated. So this shart fasid becomes itself null. Yeah. وَلِكُلِّ وَاحِدَةٍ مِّنْهُمَا مَهْرُ مِثْلِهَا, and each woman, لِكُلِّ وَاحِدَةٍ, for each woman, minhuma, of them, mahru mitluha, is the customary dowry. She is entitled to the dowry of her like.